This is the 5th grade word problem for January 4th through 6th. Okay, so the problem says John needs to make 4 cakes on Saturday and 5 cakes on Sunday. Each cake needs 2 1/4 cups of flour. How much flour does John need to bake all of the cakes? Okay, so he needs to make 4 cakes on Saturday and 5 cakes on Sunday. Each cake will need 2 1/4 cups of flour, and they want to know how much he'll need to bake all of the cakes. First thing I'm going to do is write my answer statement. So I need to read the question again. How much flour does John need to bake all of the cakes? John needs, and it's in cups, so I'll say cups of flour. Okay, so I'm going to make my bar model to represent the problem, and what I'm looking for is cups of flour. Okay, so making my bar, they're telling me that he needs to make 4 cakes on Saturday and 5 cakes on Sunday. 4 cakes on Saturday, 5 cakes on Sunday. So I could do this. I could just have one bar and put Saturday, make it a little bit smaller, Sunday. So we have 4 cakes and 5 cakes. 1, 2, 3. Because these are small numbers, I'm going to actually divide Saturday up into 4 and Sunday up into 5. If this was a large number, I would not divide it up. Okay? So they're telling me 4 cakes on Saturday, 5 cakes on Sunday. Each cake needs 2 1/4. 2 1/4. Now again, because this problem has a total of 9 boxes, I'm going to go ahead and write my mix number in each of those. Okay, so this is Saturday, that's 4, that's 5. So he needs to make 9 cakes, okay? So he has to take 9 and multiply it, 9 times 2 1/4. Well, here's what we could do. We could break this apart, and we could do the 9 times 2, right? And we could do the 9. Remember how we have to make that a unit fraction? Not a unit fraction, I'm sorry. That would have a 1 on top. We have to put the 1 on the bottom so that we can multiply, because this means 9 over 1 means 9 ones, okay? So 9 times 2 and 9 times 1/4. I broke apart this 2 1/4. 9 times 2, 9 times 1/4. Okay, just want to make sure, again, I misspoke. This is not a unit fraction, okay? This has a denominator of 1. So if I go 9 times 2, that's 18. 9 times 1/4, 9 times 1 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. Well, that's an improper fraction. We have to change it to a mixed number. Remember how we do that? We divide. Now some of you are still dividing by putting it in the box, so I'm going to do that. That goes inside, okay? The numerator goes inside, and I say, how many times can 4 go into 9? 4 goes into 9 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. I subtract. I only have 1 left. Well, this 1 is going to be my numerator. So when I bring that up here, 1/4, 2 1/4. So now I have to take my 18 and add the 2 1/4. 18 plus 2 1/4. You're just going to add the 18 and 2 and get 20 1/4. Okay, this is 2 1/4 times 9. Now, if you wanted to do a different way, let me just show you something else. 2 1/4 times, I could still do the 2 times 9 is 18. I could still do the 9 times 2 equals 18. But if you wanted to do this, if you have 9 1/4, just watch what you can do. I know, sorry that I'm doing this, I know that in one whole you have 4 1/4, right? Okay, so I need 9 1/4. Sorry, let me do this so we can see the whole thing. It's a big paper. Okay, let's just see this part. Okay, so that's 1 2 3 4 1/4. Another whole. Okay, so that's, now we have 8 1/4, and then we just have another 1/4. So that's 2 wholes and 1/4. We're at 18, 19, 20, and 1/4. Okay, this 4/4, the same as a whole. 4/4, same as a whole, and 1/4. So if you needed to draw a model to show it, okay, if breaking it apart and doing your 9 times 2 and then your 9 times 1/4, if that's confusing to you, there's other strategies that you could use. But whichever one you used, you would come up with 20 1/4 cups of flour.